Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Hello. You want more information about how to install an audio codec? These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to install an audio codec is www.fre-codecs.com. See the page titled How to Install Default Codecs in Windows XP and 2000. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site support.microsoft.com, especially the page How to Install and Remove Codecs and MCI Devices in Windows. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site 331745.r.msn.com. The web page free codec download. Here's the link.